communication by
last week. Yes, Okana.
Yes. Community high school. I don't know why we decided to do this, but nevertheless, I'm grateful because we are the people that voted for me. All the teachers in community high school voted for me. So you made it possible for me to go to Senate. So I'm grateful for the gifts brought to me. The students, I'm happy. I thank you very much. One thing I will assure you is that your school, I'll do everything to support their programs. I'll find out through the principal as we go on the things I can do in your school to help you have conducive learning environment and to pursue your studies. So that those of you who are there will finish and pass in flying colors. Amen. So I thank you very much for this gift. May God bless you. Amen. I'm sorry I came in late. That's the way my journey is. If I set out, I may not come back till late. So I'm even happy that I met you. We are happy to. So you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Amen. Send my regards to all the students. Those who are not able to come here today.